From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Bradley's forecast.
Well, it was one of those deals this afternoon where some of you got stormed on, others didn't even see a drop of rainfall, and that's the way it's going to kind of go over the next couple of days. We're going to have rain chances in the mix, not everyone necessarily seeing a whole lot. Some areas could pick up a quick 1 to 2 inches. So we'll go over what we have going on in just a second, but first, big picture satellite and radar composite. And again, we have this area of low pressure that's developing out in the northern Gulf of Mexico, not really tropical in nature. It's being driven by the upper levels, but nonetheless, you can see the swirl there and all the scattered showers and storms ongoing. And the first batch of that today kind of working its way into Acadiana, thus the stormy conditions across the coastal parishes, and even for some of you further to the north, seeing 1+ inches of rainfall. But again, here in Lafayette, didn't see a whole lot, and that's the way it kind of goes in this type of pattern. Meanwhile, Power Doppler 3 has settled down quite nicely, with the exception of still some leftover shower activity here in western portions of Jeff Davis Parish. One lone shower there in extreme western Allen Parish, and all of this gradually moving to the west. So once that pushes on through, then we are looking to stay relatively quiet, probably for most of the night. Model's not hinting at a whole lot of redevelopment, but still could see a few showers sneaking in overnight tonight. So we got to maintain rain chances at around 30%. Notice our surface low, and really this is where the most intense rainfall and intense storms are going to remain. So that is some good news, but nonetheless, this feature is going to be lifting northward throughout the day tomorrow. May catch a break midday. Models have been kind of hinting at that. So yes, rain chances at 60%, but I don't think it's going to be an all-day type of rain, just kind of off and on passing showers possible, probably more so into tomorrow afternoon again as some of these showers kind of wrap around the feature. But nonetheless, temperatures will be in the upper 60s to lower 70s tomorrow afternoon, so a little bit cooler thanks to the cloud cover. And then notice the pressure gradient with this low kind of tightens up here as it makes its way into southeastern Louisiana, coastal Mississippi. So this is where we're going to see the highest winds and the highest tide impact. So not as much of a concern here in Acadiana, but still we're going to see some gusty winds out there come Thursday. A few more wraparound showers for the first half of Thursday, but then conditions improving as we head into Thursday afternoon. Only getting better from there into Friday. We'll be back to mostly sunny skies, warmer as well, lower 80s, and then our next cool front starts to approach on Saturday. With that, unfortunately, some scattered showers and storms. Right now, it looks like Saturday afternoon into Saturday evening, but timing could still change, so we'll have to see how that plays out. But then behind the front, high pressure banks in, and slightly cooler weather returns for Sunday into Monday. Lots of sunshine, highs in the lower 70s. Low temperatures, upper 40s, believe it or not, to lower 50s come Monday morning. As far as additional rainfall amounts, again, I think the best areas are the best chance to see 1 to 2+ inches of rainfall along the coastal regions, and this is in addition to what fell today. Even higher totals over towards southeastern Louisiana, but definitely lower totals as you get farther to the north and west. Temperature-wise, again, not feeling too bad out there tonight. We'll see those lows dropping into the upper 50s to lower 60s, and thanks to the cloud cover and lurking showers tomorrow, highs limited to the upper 60s to lower 70s. 59, the projected low tonight. Again, still a few leftover showers out there, mainly for western Acadiana. Otherwise, we'll say relatively quiet, although a few isolated showers could redevelop later on tonight. 71 if we're lucky tomorrow afternoon. The True View Sky doing a good job showing showers passing at times, but won't be raining all day long. Otherwise, overcast, kind of dreary conditions out there. Again, rain chances at a soft 60%. Few showers first thing Thursday morning, but we clear out and dry out into Thursday afternoon. Friday, the nicest day of the week by far, mostly sunny, warmer, lower 80s. And then that front gets here for the second half of Saturday. With that, the return of storm chances, and that'll be followed by slightly cooler conditions, guys.
Okay, very good. Thanks, Bradley.